Before falling in love, Lisa was nothing short of perfect. She woke up early every morning to go for a run, which helped her start her school day feeling her best. After running, it was the perfect time to study. Before heading to school, she would carefully dress up. Once she arrived, the first thing she did was greet her classmates. During breaks, she would even help the teachers. But then came the part Lisa found most troublesome. Because she was so perfect, many boys wanted to date her. And every time, she would politely turn them down. After school, she spent time gaming at the gaming club. At night, after finishing her homework, she would play a bit more before going to bed exactly on schedule. But ever since Lisa developed feelings for someone, her once polished life became a little messy. Every morning, she woke up thinking about the dreams she had about him, but her once disciplined routine now had tiny mistakes. At school, whenever she saw the boy she liked, she would shyly hide behind her classmates. In the afternoon, while helping the teacher, she would secretly hope for a chance to visit his classroom. Yet when she actually saw him, she would immediately run away in embarrassment. When other boys confessed to her, she no longer rejected them as quickly as before. Instead, she would think about the boy she liked and feel flustered. This, of course, made the rejected boys even more heartbroken.